In today's video, we're going to talk about GoHighLevel's reputation management system and how to build review funnels that actually convert customers into real Google reviews. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you work with local businesses or run one yourself, this is one of the most important systems that you can set up for long-term growth. A lot of people think reputation management just means asking for reviews, but the truth is how you ask and when you ask matters just as much as asking at all. Most businesses lose reviews not because customers are unhappy, but because there's no system in place. So this video is about turning reputation management into a simple, automated tool that works in the background and feels natural to customers. Now, what reputation management really means? Reputation management is not about damage control. It's about consistency. If the process of collecting feedback, guiding happy customers to leave public reviews, and catching issues early before they turn into negative experiences online. For local businesses, reputation management is directly tied to trust, conversions, and visibility. When someone searches for a service, reviews are often the first thing they look at. A strong reputation does more than look good. It brings in more leads before a business ever speaks to a customer. Reviews convert better than ads, and that's because people trust people more than ads. A 5-star review from a real customer carries more weight than any headline or sales page. Reviews reduce friction. They answer questions. They remove doubt. When a business has recent, consistent reviews, new customers feel safer choosing them. That's why reputation management is really a conversion system, not just a visibility tool. Now, where GoHighLevel even fits into reputation management. GoHighLevel is designed to connect customer actions to automated follow-up. Instead of manually asking for reviews or hoping customers remember, GoHighLevel lets you build systems that trigger review requests at the right moment. It connects contact data, messaging, workflows, and Google business profiles into one place. That's what allows review funnels to run automatically. A review funnel is a structured path that guides customers towards leaving a review. It starts with a completed service or a positive experience. It sends a friendly request and then directs customers to the right review platform. It follows up once if needed, and then it stops once the action is complete. The goal here is not to pressure customers, but the goal is to remove friction and make it really easy. Timing is really important here because if you ask too early, the customer may not be ready. If you ask too late, they may have already moved on. The best time to ask for a review is right after a positive experience, when the service is fresh in the customer's mind. So GoHighLevel allows you to tie review requests to real events like completed appointments, invoices, or tags. That's what makes this system very effective. I wanted to quickly tell you how GoHighLevel handles review collection. So GoHighLevel allows businesses to send review requests through SMS or email. Each message should include a direct link to the business's Google review page or other review platforms. When a review is detected, GoHighLevel can log it and stop further follow-ups. This is going to prevent awkward over messaging. The system can also track responses so you know who has left feedback and who hasn't. If you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, you can follow along because we do have an exclusive link where you can get an extended 30-day free trial. So once you click that link, you can start extended free trial. You'll go ahead and type in your company name, your full name, your email address, and your phone number. Step 2 will ask you to put your credit card information in, but it won't be charged until the 30 days are up. So just make sure you set a reminder on day 28 or 29. Now, once you are logged in, this is what it looks like. So you're going to want to connect your Google business profile right here. So you can go ahead and click connect. They'll walk you through exactly how to connect everything. It's very simple. Then just to quickly walk you through, we've got our dashboard right here just to give you an overview of where your business is at. You can funnel all of your conversations in here. You can go ahead and create appointments and calendars. All of your contacts live in one place. Your CRM is in here. All of your payments are in one place as well. Then we've got all of your marketing, so your emails, your social planner, etc. You've got sites, so your funnels, your websites, and everything in between. And then your reputation is down here. This is where everything will end up. But we're going to go ahead and go to the automation section. What we're going to do is create workflow, and we're going to build using AI. You can start from scratch if you want. It's just going to be way harder. Also, they have a ton of templates in here that you can check out. I'm pretty sure they call them recipes. So go ahead and check them out if there's something you want to start with. But honestly, the AI is so powerful. We're going to go ahead and say, build a simple reputation management system using GoHighLevel. This system is designed to trigger after completed service, ask for feedback in a friendly way, route happy customers to leave a public review, and follow up if there's no response. Stop automatically when a review is left, and make sure it's not spammy. Go ahead and click here. We will just let AI do its thing and go ahead ahead and generate everything. Now, I want to talk about why short messages work so much better. So review requests should be short and human. Long explanations are going to reduce response rates. Customers don't need to understand the system. They just need to know what you're asking and why it matters. A simple thank you and clear request usually performs better than anything clever or promotional. Now, let's talk about handling negative feedback the right way, because not every customer will have a perfect experience, and that's okay. One benefit of reputation management system is that they allow businesses to spot issues early. If a customer responds negatively or does not want to leave a public review, that feedback can be handled privately. This protects the business while still giving customers a voice. Good reputation management is not about hiding problems, it's about addressing them before they become public issues. Automation improves review consistency because most businesses always forget or ask inconsistently. Some customers get asked, others don't, and timing depends on memory or mood. But automation removes that inconsistency. Every customer gets the same opportunity at the right moment. This consistency is what leads to steady review growth instead of random spikes. Regular reviews signal activity to Google, like I mentioned. They also signal trust to customers. When reviews come in consistently, businesses tend to rank better in local search and convert more leads who find them online. This makes reputation management one of the highest leveraging systems for local businesses. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes that review funnels. So one common mistake is asking for reviews too often. One request and one reminder usually is enough. Another mistake is sending review requests before the service is complete. Some businesses also forget to stop workflows, which leads to repeated messages. So clear logic and restraint makes review funnels very effective. So now that this workflow has loaded, let's go ahead and talk about it. So we've got the opportunity status change, customer reply, appointment status, and customer booking appointment. Okay, so these are all triggers. Then after that, we can go ahead and send the request feedback. We can wait for a customer to reply. Then after that, it will go to the conversation AI bot. So you can go ahead and configure if they were happy with the service or not. So if they are happy with it, we can go ahead and send a review request to publicly review it. And then if it was submitted or not depends on if they get a follow-up or not. If they're not happy, it will end the conversation. If they don't reply, then it will send a follow-up message. And then you also can, again, route feedback using the conversation AI, whether they get a response or not. So again, if it's happy, again, they'll send that public review request. If they're not happy, it will end. But we also would probably add a notification in here, maybe send a notification or an email so we can follow up if they're not happy. We don't just want to leave them on red if they are not happy, because that's not going to help anything. Okay. And then it will check if the review was submitted after follow-up. And then again, if it's done or not. So I know this looks really complex, but we didn't even have to do it. We let the AI do it. Now let's touch on the pricing. If you don't already have a GoHighLevel account, again, I just wanted to touch on the different pricing plans. So we've got the starter and the unlimited plan. The starter is just $97 per month. And with this, you get all the tools to capture more leads. You get the CRM, you get the booking platform, you get the workflows, you get the AI, you get everything in the starter plan. But you get 3 sub accounts. With the unlimited plan, you get unlimited sub accounts. Those are the biggest differences. The unlimited is $297 a month. You also get API access and a branded desktop app. Again, I highly recommend using our extended 30-day free trial to check it out and see if it's a good fit for you. Play around with the AI, play around with the workflows, and make sure it works for your workflow. Just a few pros and cons of having a reputation management system. So starting off with the pros. So review funnels run automatically once they're set up. Consistent timing is going to improve response rates. Google reviews support local SEO and conversions. Systems reduce awkward manual follow-ups. Now for the cons, there is obviously an initial setup required, but also the AI makes that a million times easier. Automation still needs to be monitored, and poor messaging or timing can reduce effectiveness. So again, just some things to keep in mind. If reviews matter to your business, a system matters too. Relying on memory or manual requests are going to limit your growth. A simple reputation management funnel can quietly improve trust, visibility, and conversions over time. If you want to build review funnels that actually convert, GoHighLevel makes this process so much easier to manage. Reputation management doesn't need to be complicated or uncomfortable. When you build a simple system that respects customers and runs automatically, reviews become a natural part of the business instead of an afterthought. Again, if you want to check out GoHighLevel, we do have that link down below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you master GoHighLevel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.